Liam Knows Everything. Today it's going to be called Liam Bakes Everything. And today we're going to be making banana bread. The first step in making banana bread is that you need the right banana. If you choose this one, that means the bananas are hard and not soft. But if you choose these ones, which have brown dots, that means they're softer and they're more sweeter. First step is asking an adult to preheat the oven at 350 degrees. After you're done preheating the oven, you need to grab 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which then you put it in a bowl, no holes. Then, after you're done with that, you add a teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then, after you're done with that, before this, you grab this and you start mixing. After you're done mixing, you dump 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, which I have right here. Then you should probably mix it a little bit. You don't want just a huge chunk or a bunch of little chunks just sitting there. Alright, now you're going to need to add some mashed bananas. If you were waiting for the bananas, now it's time. And you should probably use a spatula to scrape all the good stuff. Then you're probably going to need some butter. But first you have to add 1 stick of butter, but mine is like mixed. Whole eggs into the bowl. Then stir. After you're done mixing, this is my favorite part, adding the chocolate chips. You're going to need about 1 cup of them if you want to make your banana bread extra tasty. Then you stir and then they'll start to melt and melt. The next step after you add the delicious little chocolate chips, you grab the spatula again and then you begin to dump all the batter into a loaf pan. Right. The last step, and probably the one that you should ask adults to do for you, is to carefully put your banana bread in the oven. Let it cook for 1 hour at 350 degrees, and then we'll come and check on it. Finally, after 1 hour of waiting, we finally can take it out, but you should be very careful. It's probably very hot. You should probably leave it cooling for about another hour, but when it's ready, you can finally enjoy. Thank you for watching Liam Knows Everything and Liam Bakes Everything. We always need those subscribers.